Hey, it's Brandon over here at BCK Knives here in the USA. Hey, my Bonza pro tip is to not throw away your scraps when you're through making your sheaths. You can see here, I made a little bit of keychain. This is just a little prototype I whipped out last night just to see, how it was going to look. This is going to be a hair slip. And you can see here that this is just cut off pieces from the knife sheath. I got into knife sheath making from my buddy T. Michael Johns. You guys check him out. He's a great maker. He makes great knives, makes nice, really nice sheaths. But he talked me into it, and you can see with a little bit of time, a little bit of patience, you can make out some really nice sheaths with a little bit of time. It's you're not going to be great on your first one. My first one wasn't all that great, but with just a little bit of time, you take your time, and you can make some really nice stuff. With all your scraps left over, you can make Christmas ornaments, you can make keychains to give to your customers, or, for yourself, or just to give out to gift to people, whatever. These hair things are really quick to make. You can make a lot of stuff with leather. The biggest thing that, I have a problem with is my stitching. I'm working on it, but it's just like anything else. Rome wasn't built in a day. You're not going to be the greatest knife sheath maker in a day, maybe not the best knife maker in a day, but if you stick with it, these are things that you can do, and it's just ups your skills a little bit better. That's my pro tip. I appreciate all you guys. See you next time.